Hi guys, welcome back to the video. Busy today. The nut shop there. All your nuts. Don't really know if it's cheaper than the supermarket. Not really sure about that. We haven't tried it to be honest. But yeah, they do all your different nuts on there. Oh, just trying a new gimbal out today and I'm just doing a reasonable job. Let me know what you think, guys. There's a little bit of wobble in it, but yeah. Can't believe how many people are out. So Wednesday has been a market on today. Spanish market. People starting to sit out again now. It's warmed up a bit in the last couple of weeks. End of February, beginning of March, we had a bit of a cold spell. We didn't half moan though. Yeah, it's been pretty good over Christmas. Pretty warm in the day. And then you get your cold spell that late on. That's what I mean about the shops. Shop in there. Probably getting refurbed, and then it'll be back in business again. Alright, we're coming down Topper's Alley now. Not going to go through there today. We're going up the top. And the castle. Alley down that way. This big bar here on the front. Up his alley. Loads of different fish in there. And they do meat and stuff as well. Where's everybody coming from, guys? Nice to see it getting a bit busier though. euro shop there. There's one up in town as well, does men's clothes as well. Where we are is going down towards Dove Park, as you'll probably know it. If you've ever been to Benidorm, Alice. Yeah, beautiful day. Yeah, it's the park. Swimming pool for them there. Go and get a shower, isn't there? They do. Some white. You get some food for them, they will come up and sit on you. Makes for a great picture. Get some of the food for them from there. Not sure how much it is. Some great pictures. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.